Yep, he's got a long, rough tongue.
He's drinking. Can we sneak over here?
Oh, yeah.
He's my cat.
I actually ended up skipping review day for biology.
They leave stuff all over our barn, but we never get to get up close and personal with them.
Yeah, this is probably the closest you'll ever get to a bat. Unless somebody's sick or something like that.
Did he ever get to ask his question?
I don't know. Did you remember what your question was, bud? Do you have any questions about bats? What's your question?
That one is, there's a bat flying over on my garage.
There's a bat flying over your house?
No, a bat flying over our garage.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there are bats all over the place if you know to look for them, right?
Yeah.
Just gotta wait till it gets dark.
I know, but I found one and we didn't come here.
What's that? You saw one when you weren't here? That got close to you?
On your way to come here?
It's
coming out the other end.
Oh, great.
In one end and out the other.
Yep, that's about it for these guys.
Video.
I'll tag you in it.
Wait, do you guys have any other questions about Hiccup? Yeah, you're just going to the bathroom like crazy. Yeah, he's a little nervous, but he's actually doing pretty well. He's not really shaking as much as he sometimes will do.
Did you want some of the stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, did you want handouts?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.